Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis, July 26th கான analysis. Index analysis பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty, Bank Nifty followed by Fin Nifty and Mid Cap. So market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile கத்துக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு this could be a better platform. And if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel so that it can also go to the next person who really needs this kind of analysis. So before getting into the Nifty பாத்தீங்கன்னா Dow Jones வந்து almost 1% more than 1% down and also Nasdaq is about 3.5% down. So Nifty oda monthly expiry was over, monthly expiry completed today. So as of now Nifty oda closing பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,400 which is again today's close, as well as if you see on monthly monthlyலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிஃப்டியோட closing is about 24,400க்கு மேல தான் closing வந்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So for the current month, that is for July month oda series was over. So 24,400க்கு மேல தான் நிஃப்டியோட closing happen and last month it was around 24,000 மேல தான் closing கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, above 24,000 and on continuity this month again it happened 24,400 above. So getting into the Nifty chart in detail, Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே இன்னைக்கு வந்து என்ன நடந்திருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாங்க. And today's opening is almost on the excess of prior days. So prior day ஓட excessல தான் இன்னியோட opening was happen in Nifty. So market வந்து நம்ம live marketல வந்து continuous Nifty track பண்ணிருந்தோம். So clear ஆன ஒரு OTF buyers வந்து வந்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே ஒரு clear OTF buyers வந்து right from initial period of buying excess. So this is a power of excess. So power of excess is again very important and also market இன்னைக்கு எந்த இடத்துல வந்து support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was exactly the peacock. So we know the history of this peacock which has been created on the date of 2nd July. So it is a peacock and it is a very effective peacock. So இந்த peacock வந்து ஒரு disturbance அவங்க வந்து அந்த peacock வந்து clear பண்ற வரையுமே it still act as a support. It will be a support unless and until Nifty break this 24,200 அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம் and Nifty could not break this level today because it has taken exactly the support. Already the buying excess have been placed on prior days. So what happened, obviously the big buying excess இருக்கிறதுனால Nifty அந்த இடத்தை support system தான் find பண்ணாங்க and market வந்து from the A period turning to be OTF buyers வந்து turn ஆனாங்க. But market வந்து initial balance breakout கொடுத்தாங்க. Initially IB was on top of initial balance because we have seen this in live marketல Nifty வந்து complete we have been tracking. So what happened, every time they are having a OTF buyers and each and every period continuously following the one after other, it's respecting the other periods. And வந்து 24,400 this could be the better place of resistance for Nifty அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். IB யோட extension provide பண்ணும்போது market is having a POC on prior day which is of 24th July யோட POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost 24,400. So this could be a resistance இருக்கலாம் அப்படின்றத நிஃப்டில நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market slow and steady they have the OTF buyers and then what happened, Nifty யோட resistance 24,400 consider பண்ணாங்க. So further periods have not developed. Market oda closing அந்த இடத்துல தான் நமக்கு நடந்திருக்கு. Poor high create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Further buying pressure of 24,400 is definitely needed அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம் in on live market and exactly IB upside break பண்ணாங்க because downside they have a complete stop. 24,200 வந்து stop பண்ணிட்டாங்க. peacock போட்டு இந்த month full-ஆவே அதை வந்து protect பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So complete protection from July. So July full-ஆவே வந்து அவங்க protection வந்து அந்த லெவலுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அந்த 24,200 break பண்ணாத வரையுமே market downல போறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இல்லை. And on yesterday on this day, that is on 23rd day, it was again cleared. Market broke this level but closing again into this level 24,200க்கு உள்ளதான் நடந்திருக்கு. And today they have taken a support exactly because they also have a buying excess on 23rd July. So double confirmation பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market has no chance to go down அப்படின்றது clear ஆச்சு. As well as open interest also matches with the market profile. So we are also joining the open interest in live market, which says very clearly 24,200 are having a strong puts. So அந்த இடத்துல வந்து which is again telling market is having a support. So then onwards what happened, market tried to go with the OTF IB extension on upside கொடுத்தாங்க. We have this POC that can be a resistance அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருந்தோம். And on crossing this POC, price could not able to sustain there. So இன்னியோட POCயும் நேத்தோட POCக்கு கீழே தான் வச்சிருக்காங்க. So marketோட closing was above, but again the POC of yesterday and today is almost little bit அதுக்கு கீழே தான் வந்து place பண்ணிருக்காங்க, whereas the volume also associated with that level. So 400 is a expected resistance and market exactly closed at this level of today. That is not only today, it is a monthly expiry, again 24,400. So monthly la பாத்தீங்கன்னா monthly chart of Nifty, prior month it has a perfect closure above this level of 24,000. So 24,000 க்கு மேல closing was happened on Nifty last month. And this month it was a very small IB extension, POC and PPOC has been created in monthly. If you see this level of monthly, whereas 24,400 and the zone வந்து it was the PPOC and it was the perfect volume factor in monthly. So what happens, 24,400 அந்த level அவங்க cross பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது it is again a perfect ஒரு PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க in monthly. So crossing this level definitely ஒரு ஒரு resistance இருக்கும். So market try to cross this level and have a closure. இந்த monthோட closing was almost 24,400, that is POC PPOC அங்கதான் monthlyல create ஆயிருக்கு. So monthly ஓட PPOC is almost 24,400 and market also facing a resistance at the level of 24,400. So further formation in Nifty, that will be considered. Market 24,800 variyum ponanga, but POC or PPOC has been created in the level of 400, which again market took this today as a resistance. So 24,400 was the closure of this monthly expiry order. So let's get into the detailed analysis of upside and downside support and resistance for Nifty. So 24,400 க்கு மேல வந்து க்ளோஸ் ஆனாலுமே அது வந்து ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸா தான் POC ல இருந்தது. So further இந்த இடத்துல பேலன்ஸ் பில்ட் பண்ணாங்க. Then they try to push the price on the later part and then have a close here. So further POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா நேத்தோட POC விட it was actually down. So market, if at all they take this today's POC of 24,400 and then started to go upside on continuity போறாங்க அப்படின்னா, then further because it was the volume factor of today also 24,400. So market in the level க்கு மேல வராங்கன்னா, then obviously every poor high, that is 500 is the one of the poor high. In the level could be a first level of resistance, that is 500, and on moving this level 600 could be the next level and 600 to 650. So anywhere they can face a resistance and 650 is the important resistance for Nifty because it is having a double side of POC, which could be a major resistance for upside in Nifty. So 500 and 600 to 650, anywhere they can resist. If at all they are coming down 24,400 க்கு கீழ market வந்து வராங்க அப்படின்னா, then obviously today's excess, that is 24,200, and also we know the importance of 200 zone, which is a real PPOC created, and so far in the level protection இருக்கிற வரையுமே Nifty could not break down. So Nifty keep on getting a support from this level, and only this level broken, the further levels will be applied, that is 2400. That could be a next level of support zone for Nifty, and then 23,950 to 24,000, which could be a definite source of support இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. We can also see if there is a perfect buying or a buying support happens in the zone of 23,950 to 24,000 ல கிடைக்குதான்றதை we can also check. But the important level to break here is 24,200. So நிஃப்டியோட நிஃப்டியோட upside and downside பார்த்தோங்க based on price acceptance is definitely required. So இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Nifty Auto was again வந்து நல்ல ஒரு support system இருந்தாங்க. Like one time framing வந்து form ஆனாங்க. இதுவும் நம்ம வந்து live marketல பார்த்தோம். So Nifty Auto again they broke the poor highs and formed a IB level they formed a one time framing clearly. So continuity was there and market on closing on top of it. So POC பார்த்தீங்கன்னா like Nifty it has placed above this level of IB. So Nifty Auto was supportive and also Reliance பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it was again into the range market. So Reliance ஓட closing is expected to be around 3000 க்கு மேல வந்து ஒரு closing is expected. We have been continuously following Reliance. இன்னிக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it has the POC rejection of yesterday. So 3000 above க்கு மேல ஒரு perfect closing is required for Reliance to have the continuity. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் இன்னைக்கு peacock create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஒரு balanced market and within a balanced market பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு OTF sellers அதாவது within a balanced ஒரு range market குள்ளே they have created a OTF sellers and every single bank found a stop here. So what happened, market trying to reverse Kotak Bank எல்லாமே upsideல வந்து ஒரு நல்ல OTF இருந்தாங்க. So ஒரு சில banks வந்து was upside OTF and ஒரு சில banks have found the stop at the bottom. So we are been continuously focusing the individual banks as well for index based stocks. So நம்ம வந்து டீடைலா வந்து லைவ்ல பார்க்குறோம். So accordingly பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நேத்தோட closing that was almost on the lowல தான் இன்னியோட market was open and it was a clear POC rejection, selling excess, everything was placed and 51,000 itself is taken as a resistance create பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Market could not go above this level of 51,000. So further A, B, C IB downside வந்து try பண்ணாங்க but again every banks have been stopped here. So PSU banks எல்லாமே வந்து they have been getting a V-shape recovery. So V-shape recovery try பண்ணாங்க. Again வந்து bank வந்து they don't have the buying pressure. Further balance build பண்ணி peacock create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Bank Nifty is again a range, within a range they have created a peacock. And if you clearly see this is 51k. So 51k வந்து it was the clear stop of POC of yesterday. ஏன்னா 51,700 break பண்ணாங்கன்னா 51,000 could be a support zone அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருந்தோம் நம்ம previous timesல. So 51,000 stop பண்ணி market நேத்து closing was 51,400 which was very good, above 400 close பண்ணாங்க. So again today 51,000 itself is taken as a resistance but again இன்னியோட market ஓட low பார்த்தீங்கன்னா almost it was the 50. So market வந்து 50,800 அந்த லெவல்ல வந்து ஒரு certain period they have been struggling to form. So 50,800 and above. So which tells very clearly market 50,800 itself they are taking as a long time அந்த லெவல்ல consolidation பண்ணி தான் market trying to go upside then formed a balance. So next level of Bank Nifty பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it was again 5400. That is a next level of stop for Bank Nifty. If at all Bank Nifty continued from today's peacock. So today is a peacock in Bank Nifty. That was at the level of 50,880. That is almost 50,900. And the zone la வந்து peacock create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. In case 900 zone if the Bank Nifty is coming down, then obviously today's support of 5600 could be a first level of support. If not, then 5400, which is a perfect POC of 18th June. So that can also be act as a support if at all market is coming from the today's peacock levels. So this could be the first level where they have the stop here and the next level is 5400, which is a perfect peacock, which is the perfect POC of 19th June. In case peacockல இருந்து market வந்து reverse ஆகுறாங்க, I mean upsideல வந்து போறாங்க அப்படின்னா the perfect POC, இந்த POC உங்களுக்கு ஒரு resistance மாறுறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. Okay, 50,800 in the level in the market இப்போ வந்து it is taking the support of 5,800 and then market started to go upside. Then the first level to be cleared is the selling excess, that is 51,000 above. There is a price acceptance is required, and moreover 51,300, whereas it is a perfect rejection zone. 280 to 300 POC இருக்கு, so that could be a perfect rejection zone ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். For that they should clear the today's excess, so that is very important in Bank Nifty, which they did not clear today because it was remained as a excess. அதனால தான் அந்த excess வந்து maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So today's excess and no IB extension on Bank Nifty, and further this top of this POC is again as a resistance in Bank Nifty. So 51,300 cross பண்ற வரையுமே Bank Nifty is having a resistance, and crossing this level then 51,800 to 900 anywhere it can resist, because it was the prior day's POC plus it was the top of 24th July. So 51,800 to 900 it may have a resistance. So clear resistance of the Bank Nifty on upside is clearly defined, and also downside நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So today is a PPOX. Let's track this on tomorrow's market also. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து IB extension நடக்கல. So எல்லா individual banksமே நம்ம பார்த்தோம். ஒரு சில banks வந்து having a B shape profile, ஒரு சில banks வந்து again it was having a P shape profile. So what happens, market on the top of resistance, HDFC say for example, it could not clear this 1630, which is a very important level to clear. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில bank, Kotak Bank பாத்தீங்கன்னா especially Kotak Bank was, so Kotak Bank பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு வந்து IB on upside and top of it closing on நடந்திருக்கு. So perfect ஆன ஒரு OTF buyers வந்து வந்தாங்க. So but exactly வந்து struck on the poor high, which is the last 3 days of responsive action. So Kotak Bank was very clear, it is having a OTF bias, which we also see. So perfect Bank Nifty வந்து அந்த C period ஓட extension அந்த reversals வந்து கொடுத்தாங்க, which is like they are come inside the IB again and they try for V shape recovery. So அது வந்து Kotak Bank sideலயும் சரி, ஒரு சில banks have been turning upside, like PSU banks within a range they have a control and then they turned with a V shape recovery. So further வந்து நம்ம will also track tomorrow. So moving on to Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே இந்த zone வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்டான zone பார்த்திருந்தோங்க, and இந்த லெவலுக்கு மேல, that is 23,500க்கு கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா then the perfect zone to see is 23,000 அப்படின்னு பார்த்துட்டோம். They could not break the zone yesterday because it was a support taken and it was a smart money order present. So what happened, they took the support and have a close below this, that is inside the IB range. So what happened, this acted as a very good support yesterday. So நேத்து வந்து அது நல்ல support system find பண்ணாங்க. But today what happened, that level itself got rejected, opening itself it got rejected. So market வந்து is not providing an IB extension today, and it was clear because of this PPOC, because of this POC. Maybe I'll remove this line, you will see the better things. So POC வந்து நல்ல ஒரு stop நேத்து வந்து find பண்ணாங்க, and நேத்து immediate அவங்களால அதை break பண்ண முடியாது. That is the importance of POC. So every POC in market profile is for a reason. So that can be for support or resistance. So yesterday it was a support, and today what happened, they turned the market because they are breaking this no more support in the இடத்துல அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கல. So what happened today, they turned the exact level into a resistance, and then they are forming a balance, and further selling one was not that much effective, and again they don't have the buying pressure. On top of its head again வந்து ஒரு POC வந்து rejection இருக்கு. So like Bank Nifty, so market is having a excess today, but again they have the IB downside வந்து try பண்ணாங்க, they could not provide. What happened, they have a perfect V shape recovery. So market is having an POC almost on the ஒரு bottom, I mean center கிட்ட தான், I mean near to the top they have maintaining the POC, which is almost at the level of 23,000, which was the expected level to, it was the POC. So இன்னிக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த POC, that is 2335, அதுக்கு மேல தான் இன்னியோட closing also happened. 2 days they are trying, but yesterday it was a perfect close inside above this level. But again today it is almost the POC of today formed exactly on the date of 24th June ஓட POC ல தான் இன்னியோட POC யும் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இன்னியோட க்ளோசிங்கும் வாஸ் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இந்த சேம் ரேஞ்ச்ல தான் நடந்திருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபின் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்த வரையுமே நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், unless and until they break this 23,000 they cannot come down. So they have to break it அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு பிரேக் பண்ணாலுமே க்ளோசிங் வாஸ் above this level only. 23,000க்கு மேல தான் க்ளோசிங் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 2335க்கு மேல தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஃபர்தரா இந்த லெவலுக்கு கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா then today's close or today's support could be a better level of support இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. 22,900. On crossing this level, definitely we have a very good level of reference of POC, that is 22,800, which the responsive action actually came into this level for Fin Nifty on the downside. So no IB extension, அதுவே ஒரு buying pressure இல்ல அப்படின்றத denote பண்றாங்க, further buying. So again market இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து வராங்க அப்படின்னா then the first perfect zone to watch is 23,150, which is the POC resistance for Fin Nifty. Clear POC resistance. நேத்து ஃபார்ம் பண்ண POCக்கு கீழே தான் இன்னைக்கு மார்க்கெட்டே பிளேஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So still that POC is acting as a resistance அப்படின்றது தெரியுது. And today again if they come with this level, then 23,150 could be a better zone for resistance. And after 23,200, they have a clear 23,400 to 500. Anywhere they can have a rejection. So this is a perfect zone to see in Fin Nifty. If they come above this level of 200, then 400 to 500. Anywhere they can resist. And further actions above this level will be getting into the responsive action zone. So as of now, Fin Nifty above and downside வந்து நம்ம வந்து பார்த்தோம். So to break this level, they should come below this POC. That is very important. So let's track the market tomorrow also in live. So mid cap Nifty பொறுத்த வரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்சிவ் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ்குள்ளே இருக்காங்க. மார்க்கெட் நல்லா ரேலி ஆனாங்க, ப்ராஃபிட் புக்கிங்கும் நடந்தது. ஃபர்தரா வாட் ஹேப்பன், ரெஸ்பான்சிவ் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ். ஸோ எனிதிங் above 500 they should come, the 600 first level, and then below 500 அந்த below 500 அந்த லெவல்ல வராங்கன்னா then obviously 400 could be the best level, and today it is a PPOC along with volume factor. ஸோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு more or less ஒரு 4 days-ஆ mid cap Nifty ஓட POC or PPOC in the same range. So between 370 to 430 அந்த range குள்ள தான் இருக்காங்க. So further இந்த லெவல்ல இருந்து கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா every excess could play a support. So 12,300 could be a best level of support, and also if you see 12,200 ல இருந்து till 12,000 they have a very big support zone. So anywhere they can take a support. This is all about mid cap Nifty. So I think I have covered all. In case if you have any doubts, kindly comment so that நம்ம வந்து live trading session ல we also track this individual stocks and also index based stocks we'll see. So thank you so much. Thanks for all your time. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. Thank you so much.